Hi guys, if you want to buy this VLH32 FHD Smart Portable TV, rolling TV on wheels, then please check the link provided in the description. This is not your typical smart TV setup, and honestly, that's the first thing you notice about it. What we have here is a 32-inch full HD smart display mounted on a rolling stand, designed to move with you instead of staying locked in one place. And that simple idea changes everything about how you might use a screen like this. Instead of being fixed in your living room wall or entertainment unit, this is built to follow your lifestyle. You can roll it into the bedroom, shift it to the kitchen, take it into a workspace, or even set it up in a small event area. It's flexible in a way traditional TVs just aren't. On the software side, it runs Android 15 with Google EDLA certification, which means you're getting a full Android experience. No restrictions, no limited ecosystem. You've got access to the Play Store, streaming apps, productivity tools, and anything else you'd normally expect from a modern Android device. That's paired with solid hardware too, 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. So it's not just a display, it actually behaves like a proper smart system that can multitask, switch between apps smoothly, and handle day-to-day use without constantly slowing down. One of the biggest highlights here is the massive 38,400 mAh built-in battery. This is what really pushes it into a different category. You're not constantly tied to a power outlet, which means the mobility isn't just physical, it's also functional. You can actually move it around the house and keep using it without thinking about cables all the time. That opens up a lot of real-world scenarios like movie nights in different rooms, portable presentations, cooking tutorials in the kitchen, fitness sessions, or even casual outdoor entertainment. Then there's the removable 500W camera, which adds another layer of functionality. This isn't just about watching content anymore. It can be used for video calls, online teaching, content creation, or interactive communication setups. It starts to feel more like a hybrid device rather than just a TV. The touchscreen interface also changes how you interact with it. Instead of relying only on a remote, you can directly touch, swipe, zoom, and navigate the interface. It feels more like a large tablet experience scaled up to a 32-inch display. What stands out most about this product is the direction it represents. It's part of a shift away from static screens toward more flexible, mobile, and adaptive technology. Of course, it's not trying to replace high-end home theater systems or professional monitors. That's not the goal here. The real focus is convenience, portability, and versatility. So the question becomes pretty simple. Do you still want a screen that stays in one place, or something that moves with your life? If it's the second one, this kind of product starts to make a lot more sense. Again, if you're interested, check the link in the description.